In its ever-expanding push for military superiority, China has set its sights on a next-generation stealth fighter, on par or greater than America's F-35, that it hopes to field by 2035, says the chief designer of the Chengdu J-20. The description of advanced artificial intelligence capabilities and systems appears to mirror that of the F-35, meaning that it has an autonomous computerized ability to gather, organize and present an array of otherwise disparate pools of information for pilots. Quoting J-20 designer Yang Wei, the paper states, "A future fighter jet will generally require a longer combat range, longer endurance, stronger stealth capability, a larger load of air-to-air and air-to-surface weapons, and the functionality to provide its pilot with easy-to-understand battlefield situation images and predictions." The emphasis of technologies engineered to provide pilots with easy-to-understand warzone intelligence aligns almost exactly with the often discussed F-35 sensor fusion. In an F-35, data from 360-degree cameras, long-range electro-optical targeting, navigational details, threat warning systems and other variables such as speed, altitude and angle of approach, are all compiled, distilled, analyzed, integrated and presented to pilots on a single screen. At the same time, artificial intelligence is figuring prominently when it comes to early conceptual work and prototyping pertinent to a sixth-generation stealth fighter work, National Interest reported. Perhaps even more data, including electronic warfare, space, radar warning receivers, cyber and as of yet, unknown types of indicators will increasingly be incorporated into onboard artificial intelligence systems. Advanced algorithms can quickly perform analytics upon a vast array of incoming information, bounce it off a seemingly limitless database and make near real-time decisions, computations and analyses, National Interest reported. Improving the speed of decision-making and providing clarity for pilots are often referred to as easing the cognitive burden. These are the fundamental tenets of AI-empowered programs, therefore explaining the sought-after emphasis for a new generation of Chinese stealth fighters. Referencing the famous, the US-created Loop concept observation, orientation, decision, action. The Chinese paper refers to its next-generation fighter as developing with a Loop 3.0. The observation, orientation, decision, action loop refers to how quickly a warfighter or unit can make a decision. The idea is you will lose the advantage in initiative if the enemy's in a loop, and decisions' reactions are faster than yours, National Interest reported. Of course, China would love to have superior OODA loop for its upcoming stealth fighter compared to America's F-22 or F-35. Conformal sensors woven into an aircraft fuselage, often called smart skins, are thought of as examples of newer applications likely to form sixth-generation fighter construction. Additional or new stealth configurations, advanced weapons such as lasers, adaptive engines and the ability to command drones, are all attributes cited in the Chinese report. While much has been discussed regarding the stealthy exterior of China's fifth-generation aircraft, with respect to it appearing as a transparent or deliberate F-35 ripoff, less has been known about the internal technical specifics of advanced Chinese fighters. This week, billionaire SpaceX founder Elon Musk told a crowd of USAF bigwigs in Florida, that the era of the fighter jet was over, that it was all about drones now, park the dinosaurs and bring in the new. Well, it appears no one bothered to tell the Chinese. Sources say the PLAF is determined to build a better, 6th-generation stealth fighter. One that will match or outgun the US air power, and this one has the Pentagon reportedly worried. The new warplane, under development by the Shenyang Aircraft Design and Research Institute, could be a clean sheet design, not a copy of the foreign stealth fighter but a revolutionary new design. Or it might be a development of the company's older FC-31, an export-optimized stealth fighter that is yet to secure a single order. According to a special report by David Axe, defense editor of the National Interest and author of War Fix, War is Boring and Machete Squad. Shenyang in the military department of the ABLIC Manufacturing Technology Institute. In 2018 jointly established a team codenamed JJ with the goal of developing the new type fighter. Citing an article that the companies published on social media platform Wedget, the joint development project was first planned in June 2018 and commenced with an opening ceremony in September 2018, Global Times reported. The JJ team submitted an illustration of the test piece in November 2019, according to the article. The joint team reportedly is focusing on developing a curved, S-shape engine inlet. Curved inlets can block an engine's turbines from view, thus reducing a plane's radar signature. But the S-shape inlets are difficult to design and integrate, the National Interest reported. China's first operational stealth fighter, the twin-engine J-20, entered service in 2019.